Any intelligent fool can make things bigger, more complex, and more violent. It takes a touch of genius and a lot of courage to move in the opposite direction. Albert Einstein. My friends, we strive every day to keep it simple, to simply follow the only thing that matters in the market, the only thing, and that's price movement. And we have been knocking it out of the park over the last few weeks as this market has been surging, and we have been in it. S&P 500 up a little bit for the day, 0.32%, a great week. Price on the 2-day well above, and the half-day, we see where things popped up in the morning, pulled back a little bit in the afternoon. Let's see how the week ends tomorrow. We're not quite up to average volume on the weekly chart. We are on the 2-day, which closed at the end of the market today, the Wednesday-Thursday candle, quite decently above average. And throughout the course of the day today, above average. Things popped up in the morning and pulled back some in the afternoon. Let's keep an eye on this market. How is it going to wrap up? Now let's look at the NASDAQ 100. It pulled back just a little bit, as the day wore on, closed 0.09%. And again, popped up in the morning, spinning top in the afternoon, nice 2-day candle, super high volume there. And again, are we going to have enough movement tomorrow to get us up to average volume on the weekly? Maybe so. Of course, we had the poor week last week where things really pulled back, but again, stayed in the green. And this week popping up nicely. So we'll see how the week ends for both the S&P and the NASDAQ 100. Let's see where 20-year bonds are. They are booming, up another 2.27% just for the day. Look at all that volume. Yesterday afternoon, this morning, this afternoon, just incredible. We look at the 2-day, super high volume, slamming up. And again, a nice week. Look at all this run we have had here. Own bonds, so clean and beautiful. Let's move on to gold. Now, gold up a little bit for the day, 0.59%. What's going to happen here at the end of the week? Well, we've got a doji here. Lots and lots of indecision. We have the prior 2 weeks with higher than average volume. We saw it pop up strong on the week beginning the 27th of November. Then we had the spinning top last week with high volume after finding that top. And this week, again, dropping through our weekly trend line. And, we're just waiting, watching, seeing where this is going to go. I'm guessing it's going to go down based upon the weekly, but I'm not buying any put on things at this point because we haven't closed this weekly and it's a lot of indecision there and we haven't hit our above average volume yet, but we'll be paying close attention as the market wanes tomorrow. Now let's look at Bitcoin up again, 0.96%, almost a percent, just won't pass through that weekly trend line. Will it? Look at the half-day chart. Look at the 2-day chart. We had it try to drop down and we had a wick on that Monday, Tuesday candle pass through, but the Wednesday, Thursday candle trying to hold its own again with another spinning top, a little bit green there. So we'll see how Bitcoin wraps things up, if it's going to top out and move down or if it's going to keep pushing ahead. We'll watch, wait, and see, and keep you posted. My friends, thank you so much for being with us. We always love to hear from you. Don't hesitate to reach out to us, cw@chartingwealth.com. Patreon members, we've already posted 3-wave trades and charting cryptos, commodities, and currencies for you at the Patreon page. We also have picked out our weekly vertical crossovers. Looks like we have 7 up and 6 down. We'll be posting those on the Patreon page, plus sending you an email with links to the 2 videos and listing for you the weekly vertical crossovers. If you're not a Patreon member, please become one. Support what we do here at the channel. Help underwrite the cost of putting this on. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.